welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. Turn on notifications so you never miss out. Today I'm doing something that I've never really done before. It's an unboxing of the Coastal saltwater box. I was kind of just looking around trying to find a box to subscribe to, and I came across them on the internet. They said they're the #1 box for saltwater fishing. We'll find out. And it was an independent ranking. I don't remember who it was, but we'll find out. I haven't been in this box yet, so we'll see what they carry on them. Alright, so I changed the camera angle so you can actually see in the box while I do it. Let's open it. So, they come with a sticker, coastal fishing sticker. They come with a magazine with all of their rods, how much the different box plans they got. And let's dig into here. So they come with some of these 1 and 1/24 ounce ball jig heads. Some of these. This is their brand. It's one of their brands of the soft lures. They're little fish that are pre-rigged, swim baits that are pre-rigged. This is a laser sharp 7/0 drum kit, black drum kit. So there is a weak fish kit, 2/0, which I had to actually look up what a weak fish was. And it's anything like speckled trout, white trout, anything with a real soft mouth. They have an Ocean Cat slow tuna junkie. Now this is kind of throwing me for a loop because I thought I had ordered the inshore one. Maybe they just throw different things like this in, but they come with 3 Sabiki rigs. And again, with thinking I ordered the offshore one and not, I don't know really what's up with the Sabiki rigs, but I know what they're used for. These are #1 hooks, 50-pound main test, 40-pound branch test. I'm actually going to do a video with the Sabiki rigs, not traditionally use them how we use them. We normally use these for when we go tuna fishing offshore. We'll take them, throw them, and try to catch some hardtails by the rigs. But just a little hint I want to do with these is, in Grand Isle there's a bridge that always holds white trout. I want to use these to see if we can catch some white trout like that. Some Yum watermelon seed 12-pack. It's a full pack actually. They're for freshwater, but we'll see. I don't know. Some more Ocean Cap #1 Swivels. A no-name brand skirt for trolling. Use these a lot offshore. And this is a Charlie's Bucktail 3/8 white and chartreuse. It also comes with a holder for all your nifty baits they gave you, and some promotional cards. Enter to win a free rod. Oh, this is cool. You can enter to win a free rod. If you follow them on Instagram at Coastal Fishing Company and tag 3 people, they'll do a free giveaway rod every week on Instagram. I did not know that. That is cool. So this was actually July's box, I believe. So I'm actually not going to get this Coastal box again just because they consider this offshore fishing, but I might be able to use this, figure out how to use it. I'll definitely be able to use these swivels. They're always great to have. Mostly because I don't like blending lines together. For example, if I have braid and I put it to a mono leader, or I don't like tying straight to it. I like to have a swivel. That way, if you get a fish that starts spinning, you won't get it all twisted. I'm sure I'll find a way to use these with bass fishing and or saltwater fishing. Down in Lafitte, a lot of people will be fishing bass, and with the saltwater, as much as it moves in and out of here, we'll catch redfish while bass fishing on bass lures. So, like I said, the Sabiki rigs, if I don't use them, I'm going to try to get a video going offshore fishing. I got some contacts in that world. I will definitely bring these to use them offshore, but I will be trying to do a video to see if we can catch white trout with that. If I go offshore, definitely bring in a speed jig. We don't have deep enough holes around here, right near, to use a speed jig. I mean, I may be able to go on Caminada Pass, or Caminada is actually the only pass I could think of that I could probably throw this and speed jig it down a rig leg. It is really hard not to talk in offshore terms right now. To throw down the piling of the bridge going to Grand Isle. These I'm really excited to get because we're going to fish with them. I'm going to try, going for some redfish, find some schooling minnows. This is another one that I was really excited to get. From how I understand you work with this is this swivel here gets tied to your line. You hook this clip to a weight, and this little pink doohickey floats. And I'm sure it's got some flash or something when you're pulling it. And you put your bait on your Kale hook there. So this one, the black drum kit, I'll actually probably use that to show you. I'm trying to get a video of going to one of the passes in Grand Isle, finding where the pass is deep, and go red fishing, black drum fishing at night. The way these are set up is that this goes on your line. You tie the swivel that comes with it to your line with this sliding back and forth, and then you put the weight on here. So instead of using an egg weight, you use a bell weight in that situation. I think these are for catching bait. I will probably use them to perch fish though, if I'd have to guess. This will probably be going to one of my family members that fishes a lot more offshore than me, because I don't see myself pulling that. Unless, Chris, I know you're watching this video, figure out a way we can use that inshore, and I will use it. Actually, I think I just did. We're going to rig it just like you'd rig it offshore, but I think I have a place that we might be able to try it. One thing I'm kind of bummed with this box, though, is that, yeah, they show all of their rods and all in their little book, the product catalog, but they don't give you anything how to fish it. I mean, or what things are used for, how much they cost, So, we'll see. Definitely will be trying to get most of this stuff used and making videos using it. You can find them on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Wow, they have a TikTok. High class company. At Coastal Fishing Company, if you want to check them out. Maybe on any of their social media or anything, they might actually explain how to use the different stuff from the box, but we'll see. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.